Hey there! Are you running into the pesky BLZBNTAGT00000BB8 error when trying to start up Warzone? No worries, I've got your back. Welcome to my channel. Here, I'll guide you through fixing this annoying error code in Call of Duty Warzone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Delete Warzone game data and configuration files. Start by opening the Call of Duty launcher, click on the settings icon and select Show in Explorer. The File Explorer will open. Now close the Battle.net launcher from the tray icon. Delete the Battle.net and retail folders. Then open the data folder and delete the config and indices folder. Next, delete the files in the data folder with the .idx extension. Open the run program and type %local app data %. Then hit enter. Delete the activation and Battle.net folders. Reopen the Call of Duty launcher. It will start scanning game files. After the update, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. Reset your network configuration settings. First, click on the search icon and open up the search bar and type in CMD. Next, right-click on the command prompt, then select Run as Administrator and click Yes. In the command prompt, type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Then type ipconfig / flushdns and press enter. After that, type ipconfig / release and press enter. Now type ipconfig / renew and press enter. Next, type netsh space int space ip space reset and press enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these comments in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and see if the error is gone. Solution 3. Enable compatibility options for Warzone. Right-click on the Call of Duty on your desktop and select Open File Location. Navigate to the Retail folder and find COD. Then right-click on it. Then select Properties. After that, switch to the Compatibility tab. Now take the Disable Full Screen Optimization box, then click on Change High DPI Settings. Take the last box and hit OK. Lastly, click Apply and then OK to save your settings. Now, you should be able to launch Warzone without encountering the error. And there you go, folks. That's how you fix the error in Call of Duty Warzone. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.